What is your name?
My name is Pranshu.
How are you?
I am fine.
Have you time for talking?
Yes, I have time for talking.
Would you like to tell how is your family condition?
Yes, I would like to tell my family condition is good.
How is your Eid festival?
My Eid festival was very good.
Have you gone?
Yes, I have one.
Where had you operated computer?
I had operated computer in lab.
Computer is good.
Yes, computer is good.
How do you say a computer is good?
Computer is good. Suppose that you want to operate computer and you want to become a good hacker and you want to scam and you want to earn money from this. If you have computer, then you can hack, you can earn money, and you can do everything. If there is no computer, how can you hack? How can you hack another mobile? So that I say the computer is very good. Computer is very good. Like students study with computer.
Where has she purchased a car?
She has purchased car in the garden.
When will you go to coaching?
I will go to coaching at 5 o'clock.
Where had you purchased a cycle?
I had purchased cycle in the garden.
Have you time?
Yes, I have time.
When will you take pen?
I will take pen at 6 o'clock.
Whose pen is this?
This pen is Myra's pen.
How do you say this is Myra's pen?
Because I know Myra.
When will you talk?
I will talk at 6 o'clock.
Why are you talking?
I am talking for knowledge.
In which class are you reading?
I am reading class 7.
At which market are you purchasing ticket?
I am purchasing ticket at Handia market.
On which road are you driving car?
I am driving car at NH 14.
Which car is good?
Varna car is good.
How do you say Varna car is good?
Because its company is very good.
Can you tell that where is Saira?
Yes, I can tell you. Sarah is at home.
How do you say Saira is at home?
Because I know Sarah.
Where is your friend?
My friend is at home.
Where has she plucked flower?
She has plucked flower from garden.
When will you come at home?
I will come at home. I will come home at 6 o'clock.
Where is fan?
Fan is in room.
After reading, what will you become?
After reading, I will become a doctor.
Why will you become a doctor?
I will become doctor because I will be a good doctor, so that I will be good.
By which teacher were you achieving knowledge?
I was achieving knowledge by Mannan sir.
Which train is good for going?
Vande Mataram train is good for going.
Can you tell that where is Sania?
No, I can't tell that where is Sina.
Where has she decorated room?
She has decorated room in the garden.
While going who meets?
While going, Sarah meets.
When did you get up morning?
I got up morning at 6 o'clock.
From which market were you purchasing cloth?
I was purchasing cloth from Handia market.
What are you looking?
I am not looking.
What have you cooked?
I have cooked vegetable.
Have you eaten food?
Yes, I have eaten food.
Nowadays you are looking, then the children are watching phone. It is good. Yeah, it is bad.
Nowadays, yes, I am looking. Children are watching mobile, but it is not good because they will lose their eyes. So that as per my mobile is not good.
Where are you from?
I am from Basupur.
Where is Basupur?
Basupur is beside Handia.
How do you say Basupur is beside India?
I can say Basupur is beside Handia because I know.
How was the food?
The food was very good.
Who gives money?
My mother gives money.
Who is children family?
My brother is Indian family.
Which car is good for going?
Scorpio car is good for going.
What have you looked?
I have looked Taj Mahal.
Where do you go?
I go to Mumbai.
Where had you gone?
I had gone Mumbai.
Why had you gone Mumbai?
I had gone Mumbai for knowledge.
Can you tell that where is Allahabad?
No, I can't tell where is Allahabad.
In which class are you reading?
I am reading class 8.
How many brother and sister have you?
I have 2 brother and 1 sister.
How many subjects are in fourth class?
There are 3 subjects in 4th class.
Do you know about English?
Yes, I know about English.
How do you know about English?
I know about English because I study English.
After reading, what will you become?
After reading, I will become doctor.
Going home it.
While going, Sarah meets.
Can you tell that where is Saira?
No, I can't tell that where is Sarah.
Who is English teacher?
Mannan sir is English teacher.
How do you say Mannan sir is English teacher?
Because I know Mannan sir.
Do you know about Prayagraj?
No, I don't know about Prayagraj.
Why don't you know?
I don't know because I have problem.
Nowadays you are looking, the children are going to school, it is good or bad?
Yes, it is good.
How do you say it is good?
It is good because children are going to school and they are studying. So that I am saying it is good.
What is your name?
My name is Sriyanshu.
Have you eaten food?
Yes, I have eaten food.
How was the food?
The food was very good.
What is your father name?
My father name is Virendra Kumar Gupta.
What is her name?
Whose?
Do you know about knowledge?
Yes, I know about knowledge.
How do you know about knowledge?
I know about knowledge because I study.
Knowledge is good.
Yes, knowledge is good.
How do you say knowledge is good?
Knowledge is good because I know knowledge.
And about this,
Yes. Now, suppose that you want to go admission, you want to take admission in private public school, and you want to become a good student of private public school. But when you will you go to private public school first, he or she will take your exam. If you have knowledge, then she and he will take in their school. So that I say the knowledge is very good.